This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marianne Stewart. This condo was affected by Hurricane Ian. Drywall will be totally replaced and professionally mold remediated. Kelly Greens is a premier community conveniently located near shopping, beaches, mini restaurants. Beautiful pond view with the golf course in the distance, constant recreation available with golfing, tennis and many social events at the clubhouse with a fine dining restaurant. Don't miss this opportunity to design your home the way you want it. For more information, review the details below or contact Marianne Stewart at 239-560-6420.